guys, it's Nat.
And it's also Nom.
And we are doing a video together today about fast fashion and how to shop sustainably.
Yeah, as a student though.
For any of you who don't know what fast fashion is, essentially it is when clothing brands, usually high street brands, churn out fashion trends really fast. So they make the clothes cheaply, they sell them on cheaply, which usually means that the people making the clothes don't have the best working conditions, the best wages. So if you want to know more about fast fashion, literally a quick Google will bring up everything you need to know, and I'm sure a hell of a lot of horror stories as well. So we're gonna tell you how you can shop sustainably as a student.
Yeah, one of the things I'll like to talk about is, in essence, shopping impulsively. It's that sense of sometimes you have things that you have on your basket, or like you go to a shop, let's say Topshop or something, New Look or River Island, you don't need to come out of that shop with something in your hand. I suffer from shopaholicism, is that how you can say it? Shopaholic. Basically, I shop a lot, especially when it comes to clothes. But I've gotten better. I'm actually in recovery. I'm doing really well. No, I am. Sometimes we get attached to like clothes and we don't even realize it. And I think that's the danger when it comes to like fashion in some instances. It can be a drug.
Yeah, because you do get into the cycle of like, oh, okay, I've kept up with the latest fashions, I've now got to keep this front that I'm like a fashionable person and keep buying the latest trends and stuff like that. But you've just got to get out of that cycle, find your own style, find the sort of clothes that work for you and not just what the fashion industry is churning out.
My friend does this rule where she will look at the item and will assess whether she needs it or not. She does a benefits and a cost, and she'll come back to it if she does need it.
Another good way to think about it is if you're going to get your money's worth. So I always do the rule, you have to wear it the amount that it's cost. So if it's cost £30, you have to wear it 30 times to get your use out of it. So another good rule to stand by is to recycle any clothing that you have. So if you have something that has a hole in it or just is looking a bit tatty, instead of just instantly throwing it out or giving it to a charity shop, you can upcycle it. So you can cut it, sew different fabrics onto it. Yeah,
like especially like if you have a steady hand. Like I know I made my own ripped jeans once because I was so sick and tired of this just plain black jeans, and so I YouTubed how to make ripped jeans, and that's what I did. But
there's so many good YouTube tutorials.
You can paint your Vans if they're starting to look a bit shabby. Yeah, you can do so much.
So the next thing is to try and avoid fast fashion shops. You can go either sort of way. You can either go to charity shops and buy secondhand clothes for like mega cheap prices. Like Nike jumper, charity shop.
And you know what? One of my friends got a Tommy Hilfiger top, limited edition, might I add.
Yeah, you can buy anything in a charity shop, or you can go the other end and shop with independent retailers. Obviously, give any companies a quick Google on their ethics. I think they have to publish everything.
They do. The other thing I would say with independent ones, there's always going to be that price that might put you off. But after a while, you just kind of
you accept that that's what you're going to pay for. Yeah. If you're going to go to these independent retailers, which are a bit more expensive, it does make you think, do I actually need this? Will I actually wear it?
Okay guys, and that was our top tips of remaining sustainable within your wardrobe, but also shopping sustainably.
See you later.
Alligator.